Adora.
Daddy.
Adabeke.
Daddy.
Ngwanu. Ụmụnna gị na ebe a ndị mudim. Welo mmanya. Ya egosi anyị onye ahụ esi na ọ ga-abụ.
Thank you, Daddy.
I'm smoking the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance, baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she push, the make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she push, the make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the things, all let me see this. Give her instruments, all let me see it. Let's see what she want. Let us speak this. I the actor, I the do what she be stuck at it. I the react from the party. Don't take what to do, I'm a mistake. Boy, you ain't going to tell them. I'm just saying never talk better. Somebody's not going to give up. Somebody's not going to give up. I'm so bad, lady. You let me behind. Baby, I don't go lie. Behind you tonight. Watch out for me. I'm going to say you want follow me. I'm going to say you want follow me. Don't go down me and you first me. Just go down me.
Nanundu mudim nine na agozi unu gamu nwoke unu gamu nwanyị unu eji m afa mụ na nwunye m nanundu mudim nine na agozi unu gamu nwoke unu gamu nwanyị unu ga-egbetere ụmụ dim udo unu agaghị ewetara anyị ihere unu ga na-eje eje na-abata abata n'aha Jizọs Kraịst onye nwe anyị.
be like that. I got the power, I got the might, so me turn up the stage and me turn up all night. Who be the bear with the one like a man that's a bad master? I say you wonder about my man, so me tell her say your mother and your father be the mother. So me tell her say your mother and your father be the mother. She won't turn on the light, she won't turn on the light. On the low, set that thing on the low. Are you there, drive me crazy? My back are gone, I'm crazy. Check out that water bum bum. See this girl, she let it be done done. Why you am waiting on the chopper? Chopper, ooh, me want push. See my baby girl, she want push, push. I like the move, cause you know why he ain't too good. See this girl, she be bad as yeah. The way she does, she be bad as yeah, bad as yeah. You're dancing step, baby, follow me, make we down the step, down the step.
Just like the virgin one day, baby, want it slowly. Just wanna spend it on you, wanna pump it on you. On the load, now you they got me crazy. I'm a smart one, yet we crazy. I we keep it crazy. On the load, now you they got me crazy. I'm a smart one, yet we crazy. We keep it crazy.
out the place, cause I know so we just stay in the room, make it possible, cause you today. 1, 2, put on your shoes, beautiful. Teach me how to dance, 5, 6, put your little dance. Take it to the left, to the right, baby, God, let me show you how to do it. Not this in a club, I love it in my mental. Music on my hobby, all of it is sharp, cause I'm with these hot. Have your own choice, I'm getting a new toy. Liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari. Dance, 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 enter the party, dance, dance, dance. I spray you the money, dance, dance, dance. You show me the money, dance, dance, dance. Cause I'm living director's life, sexy lady, no I know. See this, I need to find you. Yeah, for me, make me dance, cause I'm living director's life, sexy lady, no I know. Motherfucker, we not give up. Motherfucker, we not give up. Dance, so my lady, you dey make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Me and you tonight. She want to follow me, now go down. Say she want follow me, now go down. Say she want follow me, now go down. Me and you first stage, now show them. Hey, my lady, let's fuck me, my baby. I go spend you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Hey, hey, your biggie body. Hey, hey, fine, 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 shorty. Hey, hey, boy, yeah, come dance for me. Oh, 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 oh. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. Dance, let me see it. Come to my party, let me see it. Teach me how to dance, cause I know so we dance. Tell me who make it possible, cause you today. 1, 2, put on your shoes, beautiful. Teach me how to dance, 5, 6, put your little dance. Take it to the left, to the right, baby, God, let me show you how we do it. Not this in a club, I love it in my mental. Music on my hobby, all of it is sharp, cause I'm with these hot. Have your own choice, I'm getting a new toy. Liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari. Dance, 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 enter the party, dance, dance, dance. I spray you the money, dance, dance, dance. You show me the money, dance, dance, dance. Cause I'm living director's life, sexy lady, no I know. See this, I need to find you. Yeah, for me, make me dance, cause I'm living director's life, sexy lady, no I know. See this, I need to find you. Yeah, for me, make me dance, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way-
Ify! Oh, you're here. So you don't know what is going on?
What is going on?
Where?
How?
Wait, you're not aware that Odnaka is back from America?
He must be joking. Enough of this joke. My own Odi. How can Odinaka come back and I didn't know? She must be joking.
As I speak to you now, Odnaka is getting married to Akokalia's daughter. That wayward Adora.
Kelechi, tell me it's not true. You're joking, right?
Oh, you think I came here to joke? I will leave my house to come here and joke with you. I was passing by and I overheard noises from Akokalia's compound, so I decided to go and check what was happening. Wait, let me show you something. Is this not Odnaka? Are they now too?
Kelechi, this is my Odinaka. This is Odinaka, Kelechi.
Wait, you're not aware?
Kelechi.
I'm even as confused as you are.
Kele, wait. Kelechi, this is Odinaka.
Come back! Kelechi, how are you going to? Kelechi, come! Ify! Ify, come back! Ify! What is wrong with this? Ify!
imagine this? All the money we pay for this Akokalia is fake. Fake money. This one is fake. Look at it. All the money is fake. Can you imagine that?
Nah, I see you. This money is not a good citizen. Eh? I was thinking that this money is a philanthropist. Land. Just look at it. One Lego see, this is fake money. This money is of no use for me.
Do you know they nearly arrested us at that shop when we went to buy wine?
Yes,
because of fake money.
Yes, now. Eh?
It's a criminal offense.
One day, 20 years imprisonment too.
That is what Akokalia wants us to go in.
He is not a good citizen. In short, this money is of no use for me. In short, I will throw away this money.
No. Don't even dare it.
This money can
See,
be useful.
what you're going to do right now, let's go to divine power. That prophet.
Divine again.
That power, that prophet that is reigning now. Let's go and see if you can change this money to rich now.
My boy no fire than no. Just look at it. Everything about this money is fake. Fake. For that man. My boy no fire than no.
Akokalia is not.
Everything
about it is fake.
Kelechi. So after dating Odinaka, I'm waiting for him for 7 good years. Odinaka left me and married another girl. Simply because she's a rich man's daughter, I am a daughter of a nobody.
Don't say that.
An orphan. Oh God. Tell me, why did God give me the burden that I cannot carry? Why?
God has nothing to do with this.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. He has everything to do with it. Oh God. Why me now? Why me now?
I understand her. But you know, this life is not really as written.
Oh God.
Listen, look at me. God is preparing something for you.
What can God simply be preparing for me? I have lost all the chances I have. I've lost it all.
You haven't. I will always be here for you.
I didn't Naka. After dating him, right? I even gave him money that he traveled with. And this is all I've got. This isn't right. This is it. I just pray that God would get me out of this thing. I am tired. Why me? Why me?
It's okay.
Why would Odinaka do this to me? Tell me. Why? Kelechi, do I deserve this?
You don't. Nobody deserves it.
I don't deserve it, right?
It's okay.
So why did he do it to me? Why me? I'm tired. Did I do anything to him? Oh. I did not deserve this.
Thank you for the call. Thank you very much for the caller. My brother, or better still, my son, please do not be offended that I'm back to you on the same mission. Our people say that where a child is crying and pointing fingers, if his mother is not there, his father must be there. You will not like what will become of our town if Akokalia becomes the next Igwe. You will regret not accepting this offer. Akokalia is a wicked man. In fact, a direct opposite of you.
I don't even know what to say. I've already received Akokalia's invitation card, and if I'm not mistaken, the ceremony should be holding in maybe a month or so. So, how do we change things? What's this talk about?
Akokalia can distribute invitation cards even to the president, but we are to decide if it will happen or not.
Oh, Ichenduka, I know you like me a lot. And of course, I like the fact that you like me and you would want me to become king. But let's be realistic. Before a man like Akokalia would go ahead and start printing cards and sharing to different people, there must have been an agreement between him and the kingmakers, you know, the elders. And you as a person, no matter how much you want to change things, it's virtually impossible. On my own part, I don't live in the village. I've never been king. I don't understand, how the workings of the palace and all these things. So, how do we do it?
That is why people like us are there. We will teach and guide you on the tenets of Igwe institution. You already have the personality, the large heart and the goodwill. As for not living in the village, that is not a problem at all. Many Igwes are residing outside the communities. It's not like before where you must be on ground always. I can give you some examples of Igwes that are operating from where they are. Igwe Zoranya resides in Abuja. Igwe Okanume stays in Lagos. Igwe Omekoku is in Kaduna. They still coordinate the activities of their communities from there. That's not going to be a problem.
Igwe di Kaduna was Igwe. Yeah. I'll think about it and get back.
Of course.
I'll think about it.
Of course. It's just there's no time again.
I'll think about it.
Hold up. Ah? So Philmond, did you not see me?
See you, so what?
And so what? You think I don't hear all you and your friends do about the town gossiping about me? And you claim to be a high-class sweetheart and you're trekking under the sun, sweating. Eh?
Odinaka, what have I done to you? And what gossip are you talking about?
I'm sure you don't know words have ears. I hear every little thing you say about me and my lovely princess.
I said,
yes.
Odinaka, what have come over you?
What has
No, tell me, what?
What has come over me? Now I'm going to warn you for the last time. Stay away from me and my sweetheart, okay? And I'll shock all of you. I'm going to give you the surprise of your life. I'll take my princess outside this country and leave all of you to keep gossiping with your low life.
Okay, fine.
Classless thing like you.
My masquerade group, Akwebilisi, is ready. I'm very much prepared for the coronation of Igwe.
I trust you.
Only what we are asking is for some money to be given to us, so that we shall prepare for the big occasion, which I know will be an epoch-making one.
Of course it will be. But Chembagu,
No.
Such requests should go to Akokalia. Yes, he is the one being coronated. He is expected to foot the bills.
Definitely it will go to Akokalia, but you are going to do it yourself.
Me?
Yes. You know he's a very difficult man. I do not want him to insult me, especially where he doesn't feed me and my family. Besides, I'm thinking how we are going to cope with him when he becomes Igwe.
Ichembagu.
Oh, no.
We are all worried. Even me here, I am worried.
Oh no, don't be worried though. We are banking on you and the rest of other Ichies to control him so that we can get the best of his contacts, instead of him using those contacts to intimidate and molest us.
Exactly. That is our own thinking too. But we know it's going to be a tough battle. I will not expect Akokalia to change overnight.
It's going to be a tough battle, but we know that God will help us.
Amen.
Akwilili. Ochora. Oh, man, Mokoma. Yes, I'm very well, my friend. I will soon join your league of Ndigwe. Yes, I'll be crowned in about 3 weeks. Everything is fine. It's going on very well. I'm just calling to inform you before I send an invitation. Yes. It's always good making it in the city and coming to rule over them in the village. Yes. I'll be expecting you on that day. Kano Kaliam Mukoma Onyike. But I believe I can have back club. All right. Dalo. Number you go my back club. Oh, the Gwen, return. I'll be expecting you. Bolo crowd behind here.
Baby.
Thank you.
Take a look at this. I know you've got eyes for good things.
What about this?
Isn't this dress beautiful? It is. Well, a friend of mine wants to buy it for me from London. It's for our coronation.
But I've already bought clothes for our coronation.
I do not like that dress. No, it makes me look old. I do not want to get old. All right, sweetheart. Listen. I want to be a yuppie lolo. I do not want to get old. Come on, believe me.
Why don't you get back to your mama's belly and become like Nicodemus, be born again, start afresh?
What do you mean by that, honey? You bought 3 different clothes for yourself. You are a man. What do you need it for? And you bought just one miserable dress for me. The very one that makes me look like an old woman. Mbano.
But you are an old woman.
I am not.
Ugomma, I am the one to be crowned, not you. If you want new clothes, buy with your money.
Story.
More.
I have already sent Ngozi to buy the clothes for me, and you are going to pay. Aspiring, stingy Igwe. Whether you like it or not, it's a secret fact.
Foolish woman. It's your foolishness that caused you to give me those children. Your son is abroad speaking funny, can't pass one exam. Your daughter has gone out. Thank God the man who doesn't know her came to collect her. Any day he comes here to complain. I think the best thing that can happen to me after this coronation is to take a new wife. Somebody gonna take care of me, massage him. No this akali. Don't even know who you are. Your people won't wig. Kadi wine when you aga kanka. Be your pia.
I am. Sit down. I am surprised.
Yes. Oh no.
You are coming this late. I hope all is well.
Awada won't say Philankiti. Awada won't say Philankiti.
Ya come near Punu.
Oh no. If any one of us go na afia. There's good news.
Huh?
There is good news.
Tell me.
Hilarious news. Hilarious news.
Tell me, Chiendoka.
Nameka called me and he said he has agreed to our request.
Huh?
Yes.
Nemeka has agreed to be the Igwe.
Nemeka is standing by, oh no.
Are you sure of this?
Very sure. In fact, he said he's coming home tomorrow to discuss the matter in detail.
This is...
Even a
Hey! So, how do we manage this? How do we solve this problem?
What?
The whole town is agog with Akokalia's preparation for the coronation. For his coronation. He has sent out invitation cards to all and sundry, to everywhere. How do we manage that?
If Akokalia likes, let him send invitation even to the President of America. A failed courtship is better than a failed marriage. Also, Ifele, Makalele Adi Ifele. Akokalia cannot make himself king. We are still the kingmakers. And we still have the final say on this matter.
You have a point. You have a point, Chienduka. But my worry is greedy and treacherous people like Izok. How do we make this thing work with people like them?
It won't be easy, but it will be done. It must be done. We only need to give it deep thinking. We just need to give it deep thinking. Ife na-emelu ụmụ ụdị m ife. Ife na-emelu ụmụ ụdị m ife.
Oh no. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You don't look cheerful. I hope all is well.
All is not well, Akokalia.
Did anyone die?
No. Nobody died. But something just happened. Yes. Ezemo came to my house this morning and delivered an unpleasant message concerning the coronation of a new Igwe.
What did he say?
Ezemo said that the occasion should be suspended indefinitely.
What does that mean?
I don't know. I don't know. I asked him the same question and he said even him did not know that this was a message he got directly from the gods. He went ahead to say if we doubted him, we could go ahead and crown a new king and bear the consequences that follow.
Oh no. Do you know the preparations I have put in for this occasion? Do you know the entire Eastern region first-class Igwes have been invited for this occasion? Do you know that the Southwest Obas have all been invited for this occasion? Do you know that all the emirs from the north have been invited for this occasion? And somebody wakes up to say it will be suspended indefinitely? No, you're joking.
Akokalia, I am not joking. I cannot joke with a matter as serious as position of Igwe, of Umudim. I delivered a message as I got it from Ezemo, as he got it from the gods. If you still doubt this message, you can go ahead and crown yourself the king and bear the consequences that follow. I am only a messenger. I have to go now, Akokalia. Akokalia. God.
Izuogo, come to my house immediately. It is very urgent. Leave whatever you're doing. Come right away.
their gene is. Don't worry. You are our regent. Yes. So what you say is law. You are our regent. Huh? I can't baffle you. No Buddha. Yes. Please, just make sure that I know that our confidence is supposed to make sure that he has existed. That you know that you can trust me. I know I'm going to leave here. If I want to leave here, you'll be invited. I will leave here. I'll come out that halfway. I'll not let the cat out of the bag. I'll come out that halfway. I know. So you will not let the cat out of the bag. Yes.
Greediness, yo, and you couldn't grow danger. Greediness, yo, and you couldn't grow a joker.
Zog, I have been suspecting Onowu's closeness to Ndoka in recent times. How do we know that Ezemo came to his house? Who else was there?
Nobody's sure of anything. The problem is that these two men, Ndoka and Onowu, Faka and Aya, they are the problem with this community. Funny, maybe fair.
I want you to go to Ezemo's house immediately to confirm this message. If it turns out to be false, I will personally strangle Onowu with my hands. Immediately I become the Igwe. He will be deposed. You become the Onowu. So start seeing yourself as Onowu. Who is not for me is against me and has to end up.
Thank you, Ako. But there's a small problem. The Ezemo does not divulge any information concerning the Igwe to anybody except the Onowu, unless all the others go there as one.
Very simple. Move all the elders there as one. Move immediately. It's simple now. Yeah. $500,000 for logistics. We must see where this Onowu sabotage is coming from and nip it in the bud.
Igwe, your Majesty, Your Highness, in fact, consider it done. I will start immediately.
Tell me, how do you hope to deal with stubborn ghosts like Ndoka and Okaf?
Your Majesty, leave that to me. I will deal with them. Your Majesty, Igwe, Your Highness, Igwe, Your Highness. Don't worry, consider it done.
Greediness, yo, and you couldn't grow danger. Greediness, yo, and you couldn't grow a joker. What can Necotasia Nenu? Come watch it to when it's here. Uncontrollable habit could lead you to unforeseen tragedy. But
Hey, this is the time to make up for all my suffering. For him, Alfred and Natalia. Okay, no there.
Agimo. Uda Adigo. Yes. Take this. This is 20,000. Oh, hold on.
For soup, I want complete stockfish with dried fish, mangala, and goat meat. So I want to be perceiving the aroma of the soup. Now, maniaka, I'm going to tattoos. Prepare the soup. I want to eat it today.
Nai, are we celebrating something?
Meaning what? So, if we are not celebrating something, I cannot enjoy myself in my house. My family will not eat well. Huh? Oh, poverty mentality. That is what is disturbing you.
Wow. It was only when we got married many years ago that you gave me this kind of money to cook.
Ah.
Yes.
Where is Ikechukwu? Give him this money. He should get me 1 carton of stout. I want this food to be ready by the time I come back, so that when I'm eating, I'll use the stout to wash it down.
You know what? How about my own?
Your own? Anyway, I'm in a very good mood today. I use this to buy something for yourself.
That's why I love you. Hey!
In short, for this hug, because I cannot remember the last time you hugged me like this. If I did go, use this to buy something nice for yourself.
You know what?
So,
hey!
When you are done dancing, go and prepare my food. Oh?
Mr. Man, what are you talking about? What nonsense?
Oga, we need money. We need money to buy drinks. In fact, the company refused to supply us on credit anymore.
Why?
The period of grace has expired.
What do you mean by the period of grace has expired? Can't you buy drinks with the money you make?
Oga, there is no money here. Shishi! Platform is not with me.
You are an idiot. You are nothing but a bunch of incompetency. How can I be bringing money from my pocket? Whereas I have a manager like you.
You are more than idiot.
Look at you.
I told you. You don't fuck up. Now where is all this money? Oga, you collected the whole money that was on me yesterday. In fact, you even told me that I should go and borrow from somebody so that I can give to you. But I told you that I don't see anybody that can lend me money.
And since then you haven't made any more sales.
People are no longer coming here the way they used to come before. Oga, look at our bar. Our bar is empty. Look at our show glass. Our show glass, the turkey, the amandula, all the pepper soup, none of them is there. Every time you be telling me I should give these girls any girl that have breasts, that I should give them anything in your name. That you are capable. Now, Dorima is not for service. Dorima is not for civil servant. That is what you have been saying. Okay, go to Manaka. It's not my fault now. Huh?
Jesus. You are an idiot. What useless manager is this? You are nothing but an empty manager. Give my company ski, idiot. You are hereby sacked. Huh? Now, get out of this place and out of this town.
Hey, man, okay, please now, please.
Mind you, like that. I don't want to see you anywhere around this town. And if I do, I will make sure I deal with you. And my friends will deal with you too. Hey, come here. Their flexing money is what you just wasted out of your stupidity. And incompetency. Just allow me to deal with this. Come here. Come. Wait.
Okay. It's up.
Sorry, man. Now you go.
I told you.
Chief.
I told you.
Let me ask you. Get my pen. Get my pen. See my pen for me. Collect my pen. That's my property. Go. Collect that. Let me flash you. You can't spend your money with no money. Get out.
Frank, if you let me go with this property, come. Frank, man.
You have collected that shoe as well. Don't worry, forget it.
Don't worry. We are going to deal with it. Don't worry. It has not finished. Hey. Don't worry.
Sorry, man.
Listen, we are going to recover.
Recover what?
I'm telling you, I am going to do some investigation to make sure that we recover from this stupid manager.
Recover what? What are you recovering?
Don't
worry. Maybe me and you chopper? Be you there with the Ike that they do Dorime inside Amino. And the money is gone. What are we going to do?
Yawa don't cast.
Hey! Frankie, what a mood. Dorime no be for civil servants. See, if you no be Yahoo boy, you go follow Yahoo boy, spend like Yahoo, and then you go broke. And if you go broke, you go borrowing.
Listen, this is not the end of the world for us. Calm down.
When the Kenya go our flexing money. Kenya kosi ya. Only me last standing by passing by day. Mo fife batola obiams ala obiamewetem.
And all these girls now, we are not going to meet them anymore.
Kine kudoku girls. Hey, go to the man. Ine ku girls. You dimugu. Frankie, you are not the man. You got this for I'm the brother. You're supposed to be advising me.
Calm down.
Frankie will not mugu. You will toro. You will not. But you're not supposed to be advising me. If I say bring Dorime, you say brother, calm down. Na civil servant. Na ende go Dorime de mo fife.
Okay, but wait. I should be advising you. So able to mahaka. Man, I advise him when he money for them. My for that girl, you was telling me that if Obu no be able to come and care. Bato, Yawa don't gas. Be say Yawa don't gas. Calm down. What is it? I'm saying, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. You talk to me. Calm down. Don't chat at me. Calm down.
Izuago.
Uncontrollable habit.
I'm also satisfied.
Life is good. Zero. Ako Kalia, give me 100,000 naira to share among the elders for what I just told you. But I reasoned that if I do as he says, I took a siega, it will not be meaningful. We'll be going home with peanuts. So I thought of something. So I decided to split it into half. This is 50,000 naira, your own share.
Only me.
Only you. Yes.
I have this money.
Yes.
I'm the one that have this money. He gave it to me. 50,000.
Equal partnership. You take 50, I take 50.
Wonderful.
Yes. So if you agree to what I've said, there's no need to go for any consultation. We will go and tell Ako, this is the situation. Once you agree, we will not have any problem.
Whatever you told me to do, I will do it. If it's him, amen. Who am I? I've already agreed before you ask me.
Ife Adigo.
Hey! Okoye bigu ka ewu na-eso.
If you want more drink, even if you want more stockfish, my wife will bring.
No, I'm satisfied. I'm okay.
I brought these things for you and I.
Just to finish me. Zero! You so good away, yeah?
Imanifu godogu, iga magwadogu, onye manogeme, osisi enelanyo nida, ndemeka wamaduka, mwaka mwa, emeka tikana, oka mwana muro bodo, dogu na mile kagu bodo nekwani ya. Umutim kingdom, mwaka mwa batago, hey, mwana yesi, obele mwana yesi, obodo bodo. Umutim kingdom, emeka tikana bodogu, mwaka mwa batago, hey, mwana yesi, ebine chinti ida fuso, imagoyobu, hey, emeka tikana, imagoyobu, obele mwana yesi, imagoyobu, odogu nemile kago, imagoyobu, hey. na maka Imoboyobu Akweli selisi pampwego Imoboyobu Ijibanya gina beje Imoboyobu Enemies masquerade odogu Imoboyobu Obadanye kwelugo Obade kwelugo Umutim kingdom Umutim kingdom Mwaka mwabatago Hey Mwana yeze Obele mwana yeze Obade kwelugo Umutim kingdom Emeka tiga na bodogu Mwaka mwabatago Hey Mwana yeze
What? Are you expecting anybody?
Greetings, ladies.
Good evening.
Between the both of you, who is Philmond and Eme here?
Hi, I'm Ifoma.
Alright, we are detectives from police headquarters.
Okay.
Your name appeared in the recent bank fraud we have. You have to follow us to the station and get yourself cleared.
Fraud. How? I don't understand.
When you get to the station, you clear yourself.
Station.
Oh, officer, please, my friend cannot be involved in such an act.
Are you a co-conspirator or what?
No.
So why are you defending her?
Sir, please, can I at least call my manager?
We don't have time for all this. When you get there, you can call whoever you want to call.
Miss Ifoma Ibeneme, do you remember me?
Yes, Mr. Tigana.
Yes, I deposited some money in your microfinance bank some time ago.
I know, sir, but I didn't tamper with your account. Why am I being arrested?
We'll find out when you get to the station. If you clear yourself, you can leave. Let's go.
Madam, just move it.
Let me move the station.
Move it.
Nchamel, bad news. We are coming from Ezemo's place, and we've confirmed that it was Ezemo that told Ono that your coronation has to be suspended for now. So I tried to find out why it was suspended, but Ezemo said that the gods have not told him anything. The thing is that I couldn't push further. I even went there with 2 native fowls and
yes. 2 bags of yam.
2 bags of yam, yes. All the others went except for Ndoka for yes. They are the only ones that did not go with us. So even the money you gave us was not enough, but we had to rally around to make sure that we got what you wanted. That is the bad news. We tried our best because you know that if you profit you, it will profit both of us.
Ichia Kokari.
Igwe.
Okay. Igwe Echibagu. You don't need to be bothered. This is just a temporary setback. Okay? And within a very short time, very soon, everything will be fine.
Yes. It has been confirmed in the spirit and in the physical.
Yes.
It's done.
Bam!
It's done.
It's all good.
To be a king is not a do or